People, so this is the review of the movie Gold, the Akshay Kumar starrer, and it's been directed by Reema Katgi, who's given us movies like Talash and Honeymoon Travels and all. So, people, I would say that this film Gold is a cross between a patriotic film and a sports film and a period film. So it's a period film because it's about the 1948 Olympics. Yeah. So that's one thing that as a viewer, if we are presented with too many things in the same film, it can get it's a bit of an overload, But I would say this, that Amit Saad, who stars in the film, is like pretty much the star of the film. I mean, that is Kunal Kapoor. Yeah, he's the person who plays this coach, of the movie. So most of these sports films, it's the coach who is the spotlight is on him, and Akshay Kumar's character is like the promoter, like he's bringing together all these people. So yeah, I would give the movie a 3 stars, but yeah, mm, it's a one-time watch for sure. So on that note, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.